How to power on or power off the Samsung Galaxy A15. Now first, to power off the device, all you have to do is press and hold on the power button here. Press and hold for a few seconds. Then from the power menu, you can tap on power off, then tap on power off. And this will switch off the device. To turn on the phone, all you have to do is press and hold on the side button here. Press and hold for a second or two. And once you see the Samsung logo appear, you can let go of the button and the phone will boot up. Now it will take around 10 to 15 seconds to boot up your device. Now there is also another method how you can switch off the phone without using the power button. So we'll wait until it boot up and then I will show it to you. Okay, so now the phone has boot up. Now to switch off the device, the other method is to swipe down at the top. So swipe it down. At the top here, you can see there is a power button, so tap on that. This will bring up the power menu. Then tap on power off again, and this will allow you to switch off the device as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.